السلام عليكم. في هذا الفيديو غادي نشوفو the affective filter hypothesis اللي هي a part of the Krashen's theory of second language acquisition. عندنا 5 hypotheses في هاد theory وكل hypothesis عندها فيديو ديالها so تفرجوا فيهم كاملين and let's start. This hypothesis describes external factors that can act as a filter that impedes acquisition. يعني في هاد الهايبوثيسيس ولا the affective filter عندنا some external factors اللي تيوقفوا لينا the acquisition وما تيخليوهاش to take place ولا blocks the acquisition. These factors include motivation, self-confidence and anxiety. العوامل اللي تيوقفوا لينا ولا external factors اللي تيوقفوا لينا the acquisition هما motivation اللي هو التحفيز self confidence اللي هي الثقة في النفس and anxiety اللي هي التوتر ولا الخوف من شي حاجة يعني تيخافوا من أنهم يبراكتيسيو اللغة. Krashen believes that learners need to receive comprehensible input for language acquisition to take place. Moreover, learners also need to let that input in. This is the role of the affective filter, which determines how receptive to comprehensible input a learner is going to be. The affective filter captures the relationship between affective variables and the process of second language acquisition by positing that acquirers vary with respect to the strength or the level of their affective filter. That is, anxious acquirers have a high affective filter which prevents acquisition from taking place. And learners with self-confidence and good self-image tend to be more successful. Also, we can say that learners with high motivation generally do better. The affective filter hypothesis states that acquirers with a low affective filter seek and receive more input, interact with confidence, and are more receptive to the input they receive. يعني learners اللي عندهم a low affective filter يكونوا عندهم قابلية أكتر لأنهم يفهموا داك the input اللي عطيناهم. The affective filter hypothesis embodies Krashen's view that a number of affective variables play a facilitative but non-causal role in second language acquisition. يعني هاد affective filters تيلعبوا واحد الدور اللي هو يقدر يكون تيسهلوا لينا acquisition ولا العكس. Krashen claims that learners with high motivation, self-confidence, a good self-image, a low level of anxiety and extroversions are better equipped for success in second language acquisition. يعني المتعلمين اللي عندهم high motivation طالعة، عندهم ثقة في النفس، عندهم صورة إيجابية على راسهم، عندهم low level ديال التوتر ويكونوا اجتماعيين ولا ما يكونوش انطوائيين يعني extroversion are better equipped أنهم يتعلموا the second language ولا يأكوزيو the second language. ونقدروا نقولوا العكس learners اللي عندهم low motivation, low self-esteem, anxiety, introversion can raise the affective filter. هاد العوامل can raise the affective filter and form a mental block that prevents comprehensible input from being used for acquisition. That is to say تيشكلوا a mental block اللي تيوقف لينا the comprehensible input وتيوقف لينا كذلك بمعنى آخر تيوقف لينا the acquisition. The affective filter hypothesis captures the relationship between affective variables and the process of the second language acquisition by stating that acquirers vary with respect to the level of their affective filter ولا their external factors. So the best methods are therefore those that supply comprehensible input in low anxiety situations containing messages that students really want to hear. These methods do not force early production in the second language, but rather allow students to produce when they are ready, recognizing that improvement comes from supplying communicative and comprehensible input and not from forcing and correcting production. So, teachers, according to this hypothesis, should try to reduce learners' negative feelings. And we can say that learners can have higher competence when they receive comprehensible input in low stress conditions. And as a recapitulation, we can say that low motivation, low self-esteem, and anxiety can combine to raise the affective filter and form a mental block that prevents comprehensible input from being used for acquisition. In other words, when the filter is up, it impedes language acquisition, and vice versa. Those whose attitudes are not optimal for the second language acquisition will not only tend to seek less input, but they will also have a high affective filter. Even if they understand the message, the input will not reach that part of the brain responsible for language acquisition, or the LA device. However, those with attitudes more conducive to second language acquisition will not only seek and obtain more input, they will also have a lower or weaker affective filter. Then they will be more open to the input obtained. And that's it. I hope I was clear enough. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave me a comment below and see you later.
اشتركوا معكم هذا الفيديو، المشاركة والاستقاء لا تنسوا في هذا الفيديو. باي.